What's up, guys? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Mystery Saja. What does he look like? Nobody knows. So let's draw him. No eyes, right? So I guess we just get the face shape. It's kind of like a jaw, and then maybe the curtains for the hair. So let's try this. So head's kind of tilted. It's when we first see them. So say his chin. Chin, yeah. My little soda pop goes this way. Strong, yeah, strong chin. So go male. Strong enough chin, right? So this is his chin, just there. It's probably around the center point of my page. And then his jaw goes that way. So it goes like, kind of curves in a bit, and then out for his jawbone. Kind of goes up then underneath all that hair. Okay, and then we go same on the other side, pretty much. At least that's how it looks to me anyway. So might be helpful maybe to if we do some hair spikes just coming across all this, right? Because he's got like the hair that comes across the nose. So I could say just like here maybe you start getting these hair spikes just coming across the face. Okay. My little soda pop. Yeah, like this, right? So them kind of overlap. Okay, so we got his nose in here, right? So it just like comes down that way. And you got a nostril on that side, one here, and then the sort of skin of his nostril just around in here. Don't think we can see anything else really in terms of his nose. It's just dark shadow and stuff in here. And his mouth. So very small, flat mouth, and then a very thin bottom lip. And then a larger kind of top lip. Okay. Right, so there's like his earrings and ears are like in under here, but I guess we gotta like finish all this hair first. So you just start adding hair spikes that kind of come out and in, right? The general shape of his hair is kind of real wide. So say like this kind of flicking sort of fringe is all here. Okay, and then it goes like out real wide, right? So like it's so crazy. So like back up this way. There's like a part in his hair here, I think. Right, like this, basically. Okay, so that's general shape. I'll just erase that one a bit long. Now, so we'll kind of like add all the shape to this. So you'll add sort of like wavy sort of lines, texture lines that join the top to the bottom, right? So lots of these kind of. Okay. Okay, so the earrings, right? So he's got these long earrings that hang down. To like big spiky things here, and then his ears kind of come down in here, but then there's more sort of earrings as well, just spiking around his earlobe, right? And then I guess we could see some like ear lines and stuff inside here. And then we do the same thing on the other side. We have a big spiky thing sticking down here. And is there more earrings there? I think there is. So kind of two more silver ones. I think he's just piercings on both sides. Kind of like that. Methinks. Okay, so we got more hair, but it's behind his neck. So neck here. The collar. He does have like some neck muscles here. And then the other side of his collar. Down here. And then the rest of the hair. Kind of following down this. A little soda pop. Right, then purple V-neck. What is the style they have? It's like wool and, you know, so wholesome. It's like Star Trek. Sort of V jumper. Yeah, then his shoulder comes out there. And then this thing has like some lines coming down the texture of the wool. Looks very comfortable. All right. Mystery Saja from the Saja Boys. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.